what is he? This moon and Ketu together with his Aruda Lagna is, quite an eclipse sort of a yoga, and it is with Chandra, means that the person has a little bit of eclipse in his mind. He can actually do crazy things that a president wouldn't do. And the events of last few weeks or last week is quite sort of evident of that, right? And that is impacting his image, which is Aruda Lagna. Hello and namaste, and thank you so much for visiting my channel. My name is Karthik Gaur, and please do subscribe and click the bell icon to ensure that whenever we upload a webinar or a video, you are the first ones to know. Thank you so much. This slide was made before, not after the whatever Trump has been up to last few days. But look at this, understand of his marriage part of it. For marriage, we know that, the seventh house, Venus and Tula, as well as your Darakaraka are very important. Okay, what is the Darakaraka in his chart? It is Saturn. Okay, Saturn is his Darakaraka, which is also in the 12th house. Okay, so let us understand what is this 7th house. 7th house is, the Lord is Saturn, right? See, because even though it is Aquarius, we have to understand that the one whom you marry will have a body, right? Unless somebody wants to marry a ghost. Sometimes people marry a ghost, and it is important in matters where you look at evil eye and ghost and all those things, the nodes become very important, because those were the invisible bodies or half bodies, so to say. Okay, so here we see the same thing. 7th Lord is in the 12th house. So this person might have a little bit of a, what do you say, not so serious sort of a concept about relationship, or rejecting a relationship, or the 12th house of bedroom, so for him the relationship might be bedroom, so everyone knows a little bit about Trump, and enough has been spoken about his relationship with various porn stars, and during his days, what all he used to do with almost every woman. He used to impose himself, and which is a very very subtle way of saying rape, right? So anyways, what do we see here? We see Venus is with Saturn. Okay, any other malefic aspects which are there? Here we see Rahu and Saturn, Surya are having a Rashi Drishti on this house. When we learn Graha Drishtis and Rashi Drishtis, you will able to understand. But basically, you can understand that this is a fixed sign, this is a movable sign. So planets in the fixed sign are going to give a Rashi Drishti on Venus. So there is already a Saturn, there is already a Rashi Drishti of Rahu, Rashi Drishti of Ketu, and Rashi Drishti of Surya, which are all malefic planets. Okay, there is one benefic planets of Jupiter also. Or is it there? No, it is not there. Do we have any other benefic drishtis other than moon? None. Okay, so here we see the 7th Lord, Saturn with Venus, and then the 7th Lord is also your Darakaraka. He is in the 12th house. So one thing is, hey, we can tell that, hey, Trump, as long as you keep marrying or you get into relationship with women which are from your own country, you are going to have a little bit of problem. There is not going to be a stability in your life, so to say. So finally, his wife is not from America, and it was I can't say more things on these things, but it is a relationship where you have to understand this is the 3rd Lord of sexuality is also in the 12th house. Means this person can have high amount of sexuality, high level of urge, high level of having multiple partners, so to say. Okay, so the Lord is going into the 12th house, which is Tula. Shukra is in the 12th house. You see the 7th Lord is in the 12th house. You see Darakaraka Saturn is in the 12th house. So somewhere down the line, we can say that, hey, this person has a little bit of problem of relationship and little bit of problem with war, because seventh lord is also the seventh house, is the house of your love and war. You remember the horoscope houses? Please go to my YouTube channel, and I'm sure there are various videos where we have uploaded, and then there you will see that the seventh house is the house of love and war. So in both cases, we can say that, hey, this guy has a little problem of love and war, or in matters of business or relationship. So many, though he is quite a multi-million dollar person, there are a lot of people who have not been paid. There are a lot of people who have said that, hey, they've used unethical methods to sort of not pay them, by using bankruptcy rules and then various rules. Okay. Now, for marriage, I've always told you that this fourth house is also very important, because the fourth house is something which is very, very important. That is what you are seeking. In a male's chart, fourth house is what you are seeking. And here you have a Bandhana Yoga, two planets. That means there's something in the house, something outside as well. There's an equal opportunity for him, so to say. But what is he? This Moon and Ketu together with his Aruda Lagna is, see, Ketu with Moon is actually, quite an eclipse sort of a yoga, and it is with Chandra, means that the person has a little bit of eclipse in his mind. He can actually do crazy things that a president wouldn't do. And the events of last few weeks or last week is quite sort of evident of that, right? And that is impacting his image, which is Aruda Lagna. So no doubt about whatever good he has done, and probably, American economy before COVID was doing pretty well. But people will always understand him or always remember him for the instability in the home affairs, because this is fourth house, what he brought in last week. Because that is sticking with Aruda Lagna. It is almost like Bill Clinton. You think about Bill Clinton, people think about Monica Lewinsky or his affair in the home environment or in his office, which is so unfair, because I'm sure that there was more to Bill Clinton than just that. But in this case, again, you see Aruda is part of this fourth house. Fourth house for a president is also home affairs. He will create havoc where it comes to home affairs or homeland security or whatever it is, right? The same thing, let's say in Navamsha, the same yoga of Ketu and Chandra. See, Chandra, when it is in the seventh house of Navamsha, I'm giving you a great secret. It is Jaimini's best kept secret. When Moon is in the seventh house of Navamsha, person is hypersexual. And the problem with Moon is, it doesn't have a great character. In Hindi, there is a song which says that Jo bhi pyar se mila, hum usi ke ho liye, which means that whoever meets me, he or she is mine. And you can say that, with Moon in the seventh house and with Ketu, see, Ketu takes that octave very high. So whenever Moon is with Ketu, and that too in the house of Jupiter, that means this person can actually eye, other people's wife also, other people's relationship and all those things. Basically, if everything is fair for him. Here again, we have this seventh lord in Navamsha Jupiter in the 12th house. Okay. And we still have this Shukra with Shani. The same combination of Rashi is Vargottama in the 11th house of Danda. Okay. So from this, we can definitely say that, hey, this person definitely has got some issue when it comes to, relationship per se. The person tends to reject it, the person tends to control it, and Saturn is with Shukra, a little bit of perverted mind. Why? Because Saturn is that old person, Venus is that hot chick, so to say. And Saturn is that typical guy, who is who can't do anything, that uncle at the age of 70, who is still fantasizing a lot of things in his mind. So whenever, even if he sees a girl, who is of his daughter's age, he's still going to lust for her, which is so unethical, so perverted. But unfortunately, America had chosen the president. This Jupiter brought him to power. Anyways, what I mean to say, let's stick to the topic. And we saw that this guy has this little issue when it comes to sexuality, or in those times whatever happened with the locker room talks, and women after women complaining about what he had done to them, and imposing himself, technically a rape, but because he was president and the money part of it was used, right? Ultimately, he had to put in a lot of money. I don't remember, but there was one of the pawn stars or somebody whom he had paid a lot of money, and then signed up a contract that she wouldn't open up her mouth. So that all is seen in the chart. So frankly speaking, when those things were coming up, anybody from the tradition, anybody from who knows even the basics, would say that, hey, this guy is quite a maniac. Yeah. But whether he can become the president, yes, he will become the president. For the first time, when he became the president, I had talked about he will become the president. When it came the second time, I was constantly telling that it's huge advantage Biden, right? So anyways, he was a one-time president, and I hope everything sorts out well. But again, he has created this Ketu and Chandra huge pressure on the homeland security, and it's very sad to see a president, where Twitter and everybody is going to sort of delete your account and all those things. It's sad. You have to maintain your class, I feel. Yeah.
Namaste Jyotisha lovers. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Please do share so more and more thirsty souls can benefit from this free knowledge which is being shared. Also do subscribe, click the bell icon, and all the questions that you have, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and please keep supporting us.